and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and it is 5 o'clock somewhere. So today is Thirsty Thursday and perfect for summer. We are going to be making a pink Moscato lemonade. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love drinks, but most importantly, you love helping a good cause, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and be sure to check the description for the details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right. So one of my favorite, probably is my all-time favorite drink in the summer is lemonade. And I think it's just so much better when it is pretty in pink. But what's even better than that is a Moscato pink lemonade. If we can spike our lemonade, that's what we need to do. And I'll tell you what I love about this recipe, because it is only really 2 ingredients. Now I've got some strawberries and some lemons here so that I'm able to garnish, because I do have to take a picture of it. But really, if you buy a can of frozen lemonade, pink lemonade, if you don't like the pink, you can do regular. But get yourself a frozen can of lemonade, keep it in the freezer, and then get yourself a bottle of Moscato and just keep it, in the wine rack or wherever. So over the course of the summer, if you have unexpected company, you can throw this together in absolutely no time. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my strawberries that I've chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and toss those down in here. I think I'm going to save maybe 2 or 3. I'll put in my glass there and the rest in there. And the same with the lemons. I think 1 big lemon here. The rest I'm going to throw in here. And then I've got 5 cups of pink lemonade. So again, if you don't have the pink and you just have the regular, that's fine too. Oh shoot. I took this, good thing I got a towel here. Oh, it didn't even hit the floor yet. Good, we saved it. I took this outside a minute ago. It's raining here today. I took this outside to see how it was gonna photograph, if I could do it, indoors. It was kind of, anyway, long story short. I had moved the spout whenever I did that. All right, let me get a hold of myself here. All right, so the rest of the pink lemonade goes in. And if you watched last Thursday, what did we make? Oh, we made a Moscato milkshake. So that's why part of this Moscato, is missing. And I just learned this too. So champagne, whenever you pop champagne, if you keep it cold, oh, there's a crack in the bottle. Is there a crack in the bottle? What's that from? I don't know, but there's a teeny tiny hairline crack in there. Anyway, if you keep it cold, it won't explode as much. If it's warm, but mine was room temperature, I believe, last week when I used it. And I think it made more of a pop today than it did then. Anyway, there's just a little bit missing out of here. So it's 5 cups lemonade and then 1 full bottle of Moscato, minus a glass. And that is it. So I'm going to stir this together really well. What a pretty color. Almost like a peach color. All right, now we can put the glass under here and use our little spout thing. That's better. All right, that's probably good. Let's give this a taste. Exactly like I thought it was going to taste. It's sparkling. It's lemonade. It's got a little bit of a strawberry flavor. I'll tell you what it reminds me of. It reminds me of a wine cooler. That's what it is. A sparkling wine cooler. So if you're a fan of like the Bartles and James type thing, you'll really love this. Yep, I like that. That's good. That is really good. Anyway, give it a try. Let me know. Maybe you've already tried it. Let me know what you think about that. I'm betting you could probably use different wines too. So anyway, I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Thursday with another drink. Bye.